Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on using arrays in Java. As part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program to intake an element as an input from the user and print how many times that intaken element is repeated in the single dimensional array. This is what you need to do. Let me give you the instructions so that you can write the Java program as part of solving this assignment in a better way. So for that, first you need to create a single dimensional array, any type of single dimensional array, guys. Then after that, you have to intake an element from the user. Okay, you have to intake an element from the user using the scanner and all you can intake, right? And also here you try to create a single dimensional array. After that, you intake an element from the user. Now write the Java program logic to see how many times that intaken element is repeated in the array that you have created in this program. And if it is two times, print 2 in the output. Okay, if it is only one time it is there in the array, the intaken input element is only one time in the array, just print 1. If it is not there in the array, just print 0. If it is 5 times repeated in the array, same element is repeated 5 times in the array, that intaken element from the user, just print 5 in the output, okay, whatever it is. So this is what is a Java program or programming logic that you have to write as part of solving this assignment. Now you can pause this video and write the Java program to solve this assignment. So hoping that you have, written the Java program and solve this assignment, given assignment as per my instructions. Now you can resume this video so that you can see the solution for this assignment given by me. Okay, now you can cross check your Java program with mine to see if we both are on the same page. If we both are on the same page, you're good to go. Okay, so for that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here, I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as, let's say, some random name like a demo I'll give with main method finish. Now inside this, I'm going to create an integer array. Any array type you can create, integer array, any other type also is fine. So in this, I'll try to give some elements. Let's say 9, 5, 7, 1, 4, 6. These are few elements I have given, guys. Okay. And after that, after creating this array, I would like to intake some input from the user. Okay. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Here I'll give system.in and I'll import this scanner from java.util package. After that, I'll write scanner.next, scanner.next int, I'll write down, and here int num is equal to, and here before this, in taking this number, I'll just write down system.out.println, enter any number, I'll say, okay? Enter any number, I'll say, because in this particular array that I have taken as an example, it's a numerical. Okay, it contains number, so I'll try to ask the user to enter any number. Okay, so once that is done, so here I'll do one more thing, guys. These array elements, I'll try to modify them so that I would like to give 9 multiple times. Okay, so and here 7 2 times I'll give, then 5 I'll give 5 good number of times. Okay, let's put comma here. So different numbers are different types. They are repeated here. That's okay. But here only user can enter only one number, and that particular number, how many times it is repeated in the array, we have to print it out. Okay. Now, once you have taken that particular number as an input from the user using the scanner and all, I'll close the scanner object, scanner.close, so that warning messages will go off. And after that is done, I'm going to write the for each loop to see how many times that intaken number is repeated in this array. For each and every element in the array, I will repeat this. I will iterate this for each loop. Okay. Here individually the element of the array is of every element of the array is of int type, int e colon ar, the name of the array. Now here, if number that is intaken from the user as an input is equal to e is equal to e, then here I'll say int count is equal to 0. I'll say first initially I'll say count is equal to 0, but here whenever a particular intaken number is matching with any of the elements, right, I'll increase the count. Okay, count plus plus I'll say. So this for each loop will iterate for each and every element of the array every time that taken number is matching with E. We'll see that, okay? If it is matching with E, right, we'll increase the count, okay? So that we'll get to know the actual count. Now here I'll simply say system.out.println num, okay, which is a taken number is repeated in the array, okay? In the array, how many times? Count times. Okay. Count to times I will write. Okay. Here number in taken input and how many times it got repeated in the array. That I am going to print here. Okay. So let's see what will be printed here. Let's see what will be printed here, guys. Okay. So for that, let me run this code. Right click run as a Java application. So here enter any number it is saying. I'll just give only like I'll give 6, guys. Let's see what will be printed. If I enter 6 here, let me reduce the size here. So if I give 6 here, 6 is repeated in the array only one times. 6 is there on in this particular array. You see anywhere 6 is there, only one place. 6 is only one time. Now run this code again. I'll give something like 10. 10 is not there in the array. Okay. So 0 should be printed. 10 is repeated in the array 0 times. That's also fine. Now next time I'll give something like a 9 here. 9 is repeated in the array 3 times. Let's see. 9 is here 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. 3 times it's there. Correct. Next, I'll give another number. Let's say 5. 5 is repeated in the array 5 times. Yes, is 5 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 is there 5 times. So any other number if I try to give, if it is there in the array, 4 if I give, only one time it is there, that's fine. So any other element if I give which is not there in the array, 0 will come. And if that particular element is in the array and it repeated, that many number of times it will print. So, so we can give any number, guys. Let's say 9 and 9 is repeated in the array 3 times. So we are getting a proper output and the program is working perfectly fine. So this is how we can write the Java program to intake an element as an input from the user and checking whether that intaken input or element is repeated how many times in this particular array. Okay, we are printing here with this logic. We have written the logic, and with this logic we have identified the count, and we are printing how many times a given intaken number is repeated in the array, either 0 times or 1 time or 2 times or 5 times. Okay, we are going to print in the output. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.